Hello, welcome to MNC Tech Fit. On this channel, we're all about natural remedies for healthy hair. So if you want to grow your hair long, you're on the right channel. So like, share, and subscribe to the channel. For this DIY hair growth cream, we're going to start off by using 1 tablespoon of vitamin E cream. Here I'm just adding it to a small bowl because I'm just making a small portion of this for my daughter's hair. The next one is, yes, my Jamaican black castor oil. For this hair growth cream, I will only be using 2 tablespoons. The next ingredient, yes, you got it, my cold pressed avocado oil, and this is my best oil ever. It's my go-to as well. I do love this oil for my hair because it just adds all the moisture. It's great for your hair. So these 3 ingredients, please try it together because trust me, you're gonna need to try this on your hair. It's gonna add all the moisture back to your hair. So I'm just showing you what it looks like so far. I'm then gonna be mixing all the ingredients together. If you have a whip and if you're using a bigger portion of cream, you can use a whip. But here I'm just stirring it all together. It's gonna be the easiest hair growth cream you'll ever make and one of the best hair growth cream you'll ever use on your hair. Trust me, it adds so much moisture to your hair. You want to tell a friend, you want to tell a family, you want to smack your okay, I'm stopping there, but this is what it is, and I'm mixing it up. Yeah, look at that texture, look at that cream. Butter. Ooh, that is gonna feel so good on your hair. You wanna try it? I beg, please try it too. And I am just gonna be showing you what it looks like. It looks like something you could eat. Look at it. Butter. You can add this 2 to 3 times per week or as needed. I normally do add it to the ends of the hair first because naturally it's to restore the moisture that you have lost in your hair, and this is the perfect cream to help with that moisture. You can see how dry her hair normally gets, and I'm just adding the cream to that. This will help to prevent breakage because you know the drier your hair gets, it's more susceptible to breakage, and we want to grow our hair, and to prevent that we want to add all the moisture back into it as often as possible. So here I'm just adding the cream and I'm just massaging the cream into the hair so that it can actually be penetrated throughout the entire hair because her hair is really thick. So I'm just gonna twist it. When I'm done, can you see that little bit hanging? It tends to happen a lot. I do not comb her hair. I do part it with a comb, so as you can see the different sections, I need a comb for that, but I don't comb her hair. One reason for this is that she hates it and she'll be crying, so I try to use natural products to just ensure that I get the moisture added to her hair. And can you see how the moisture is just coming back? I've also added my oil, as you can see, just that image to the side of your screen anywhere you can see it. It just helps, especially with the back of her hair, because that's where she sleeps and that's where her hair dries out the most, and she tends to get a lot of breakage at the back of her hair. So I'm using both the cream and the clove oil. Did you see that image? Ooh, you want to try that oil plus the cream. It just helps the hair to grow long. You want to try it, guys? You want to try it? So you can see here I'm just adding everything to the back of her hair. I'm just repeating the same process. I'm adding the cream, then I'm spraying the oils on it just to make sure that we get that oil, that moisture in it. So I stopped using the cream for a while and I realized that I needed the cream, especially for the back of her hair, because I realized that it started to break. So that's one of the mistakes I do make with her hair. I keep forgetting that the back of her hair really dries out quite often. So 3 times per week I am moisturizing just the back of her hair, getting the oils back into it, and the cream, just trust me, the cream moisturizes more than the oil. The oil and the cream, they both work together to give you that moisturizing feeling. Butter, you want to try this? Butter. Hey, if you noticed as well, I'm keeping it in the smaller sections until I get to the styling section of this video, well, of doing her hair, because this is the normal process for me. Whenever I take her hair all out, I do regret it. So if you see the top, that's just the top of it, that's that thick. The back is already twisted, and that's just the front bit. I've parted out a section, and if you watch my videos, you'll know that I always have a protected cane row section to the front of her hair to help prevent breakage at the front of her hair, and this is what I'm just doing at the moment. At the front, I've added a bit more hair because the style that she had previously, it was just 2 cane rows. Now I'm adding 3 more, so I've just extended it out a bit more so she can have it. She hates it, but sometimes it helps me to have less hair to comb, which means I manipulate her hair less. And it saves me a lot of time. Trust me, having her hair like that saves me a lot of time. It means that I don't have to go back to the front of her hair. I just concentrate on the back of her hair, which needs more moisture and more attention, because the front of her hair is normally good with my protective cane row bits that I add to it. Here I'm just finishing up the front of it, and then I will just show you what the end style is. We're off on summer break, so it's not really a neat style per se, but it's something that will help to protect her hair whilst she's at home or while we go out maybe for a swim. The protective style at the front, oh my gosh. If you have a child, you want to try this because it saves me so much time. I don't need to concentrate on the front. I can always just concentrate on the back of her hair, and you have that easy, and you have different styles that you can work around, especially when you have that little style to the front of her hair. Hold up. If you're still here and you've watched to this point, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? It is only free. It is only free. Oh my gosh, please. It's only free. Let's support this channel. Support me in the algorithm, y'all. Thank you so much. Protective styles do help with hair growth, but just be careful to choose the right protective styles for your hair. Try to choose a style that you know won't ruin or break your hair. So as you can see, this is where I'm finishing up. I think look at it. at this point I was like, okay, nearly there, nearly there. So we're just having 4 partings to the back as usual, and I'm just gonna be just adding the section. I'm gonna put them together. So I'm having one hair that comes across the other. I don't know how long I'll have this in for, but it just helps to hold her hair in place for a while. Trust me. Yeah, I need to have her hair just held in place for a while. It does help me as the parent as well as her, because she doesn't like her hair being combed too often. But I'm just finishing up the style now, and then I'll show you what it looks like to the end. In the comment section, please just leave a comment to say if you use combs in your hair, and how often do you style your hair. Do you style your hair every week? If you have your daughter's hair, how often do you style it? Because it is research for me, and it helps other people as well, just to see the processes we all use to help grow our hair. So let's grow our hair together. Let's communicate. Thank you for watching, and if you have not liked or subscribed to the channel yet, please do, because it will help us out greatly. Remember, on this channel we're all about natural remedies for your healthy hair. So we do all the work and we show you how. So support us. See you in my next video. Bye. So I know this is the end, but I just want to show you another of my oils that I use in my hair. This is one for the books. This is one you have to try. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.